everybody, we're back for another video, and from what you can see, this is a blue envelope, so it means it is something from Chic Sparrow. It is a second chance, a couple of second chance items, and oh, that's a cute little, it's a watermelon sticker. That's new. We'll kind of see if we can set that aside. So, I haven't ordered anything from Chic Sparrow since, oh my goodness, April of last year. So it's been quite a while. This has the invoice, but I wonder if I got a sticker. Yes! Look, it's that cute little bird sticker that Jennifer mentioned. And I'm not going to look at my invoice because it'll tell me what I have. But that's their new card that they're sending with very pretty, that greenish color of that leather. And that's how to care for your leather. But I moved back into a pocket or a field note size Traveler's Notebook Folio for my wallet, and I decided I had some points to use, so I went with 2 of these, and all I said in my notes were something brown, something black, with stitching, without stitching, with a pen loop, without a pen loop. It didn't matter. And I think these do not have stitching, and they do not have a pen loop. I don't feel anything like that. So this one's a little softer than this one. I'm going to start with this. Feels like it might be a Mr. Darcy or an Austin leather. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness. This is actually something that I actually had wanted to order. It is a Hemingway, and I can't remember which this one is called. I think it's the Mr. Darcy Toffee color that has been hand rubbed. And that is beautiful. You can see it has like some marks here, and that actually looks like those might be marks from the machine when it's making the actual leather. Let's see if it's, and that you can totally tell that that's a Mr. Darcy, or what was Mr. Darcy, now the Austin, because of that beautiful color on the inside. That is beautiful. Okay, so there's the first one. Let's see, this one feels like it might be one of those newer leathers, like the Evanwood or something like that. I don't know what they're called. Ooh, look at this. No. This looks like it might be the beautiful Evanwood? I'm not sure. Now that we have them both out and they look beautiful, let's pull out the invoice so you can see what it says. Yes. This one is called Ketchum, and this one is called the Americano. Yeah, I thought that was one of the new tea house ones. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm not sure which one I want to move into. I've been using my Documented Journey Folio ever since I got it as a wallet. And I've got quite a few things in it. And I'm going to pause and get all of this stuff sorted so I can come back and get it all put on. I'm not sure which one to go into. They're both incredibly beautiful. Do we go with this one? I'm really drawn to this one because of the texture of it. This one is beautiful. Why don't we put the stuff in here? So we're going to put the wallet insert and the folder on that. We'll put the notes, the field notes one in the back. We'll put the monthly calendar in the first. And we'll put the weekly on the second elastic. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, let me get the pen in there. Look how beautiful that is. And it's such a nice leather. You can see that it's a lot floppier than the this one. It's a little bit firmer of a hand. But this one is just so super duper soft. So there we are, just a quick little unboxing video of the two newest Traveler's Notebooks in my collection, the Americano and the Ketchum. I will link Chic Sparrow down below, and I'll also link Documented Journey. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.